Damn. Goals right here, literally. Sheesh. Bro, every time I see the homie Tonio's car, I always drool over it. Hey, air out real quick. Air out real quick, bro. Oh snap. Damn. Flexing on everybody. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. We're back with the homie Kai. Say what's up.
Hey,
that's how you're trying to find the.
Sorry, yeah, I'm trying to find the.
We're actually on the way to the tire shop right now. We are tagging along with Tonio today. He's actually throwing some new wheels on his Mustang. He got some super sick 3-piece wheels for his car. We're gonna be taking you guys along today, and I'm super excited to see how the new wheels come on his car. Like, I already love his car to begin with, but with 3-piece wheels, it's just gonna look so sick. Nose, damn it. Real quick disclaimer, my allergies today are so bad. Like, they're terrible today. So my eyes, my nose is just killing me. My sinuses are going crazy today. So that's why I look really sick today. This Coyote swap. Let's put that motor in your car. LS swap? I want a Mustang, but how crazy would it be if you put a Coyote engine into the FRS 550? Since that's called the S550. FRS 550. LS FRS. Yeah, I love his freaking license plate. It says lit. Oh, sounds so nice. Pulling up to Hernandez. This is a spot. I swear I'm always here in my videos. Always swapping out tires and whatnot. I feel like I'm always here at Hernandez Tires.
Right, bro?
Really? It was covering everything, huh?
Pushed it all the way.
You have like no room. It's just full of tires. Yeah, so you excited for your new wheels, bro?
Yeah, dude. It's
Dude.
been a while since I've like changed.
I know you've had these rotiforms for like forever.
Bro.
They look nice though.
Yeah.
They fit the car really good.
Debating whether selling them, bro, and getting stock wheels, or see if I keep them, bro. Because I really like these wheels.
Yeah. So I've actually made a few videos with his car. I'm not too sure. One video for sure, but I'm not sure if we did more. Back when his car was red, it was like when we took it to like the rooftop spot and we did a little photo shoot a while ago. It was back when my car was blue. But yeah, he used to have the red wrap, and then he rewrapped it and put the Nardo wrap on, which is what it is right now. Yo, that's gonna be so stretched. You scared, bro?
Yeah, what did I do, bro? I don't even know what I did.
You're gonna debede, bro.
What?
Hey, you're gonna debede. What's up, bro? It's a TE37. Super clean. How you doing? Honestly, I miss my TE37s so much. Some of you may have been following me then. I was back when my car was gray. I had some black TE37s, and I sold those to get the working mids. But honestly, seeing TE37s makes me miss them so much because they're so simple and clean. I was just telling Tonio, the one with the Mustang, that putting 20-inch TE37s on a Mustang is so sick. That's definitely something I would do if I have a Mustang. Like, imagine matte glue TE37s with that color right there. That'd be so nice. I haven't seen a Mustang run TE37s like ever. I want to do that though. Yeah, so these are the new wheels right here. He's gonna be putting on his Mustang. The amount of stretch that are on these is crazy. Look how stretched these are. Damn. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the new wheels? I'm kind of nervous.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh. That is so unsafe. Damn, good thing you got new tires, dude.
Dang, I did not see that.
I'm always on wires.
I am.
You are?
I'm kind of scared, dude. I'm nervous.
I'm scared, dude.
Be careful.
Hey, man.
Oh shit.
Oh. Damn, they're that heavy?
Yes,
I'm telling you, bro. There we go.
Oh, dude, that's gonna be a tight fit. Oh my gosh.
Dude, you think it'll be like...
Dude, it might be like fender to lip. Wait, push it in all the way?
That's all the way.
That's all the way in?
No way.
I don't know. I think it might be poking a little bit too much. Hopefully the camper's in though.
Hopefully. You gotta stay aired in. Aired out.
Aired in?
Aired in.
They are poking out a lot, but I don't know. I feel like it might work.
Dude.
Like it'll have that fitment where like when you air out, it kind of just like sits on the tire and then it goes down, down, down. Yeah, thinking about it, I don't think you'll be able to air out.
No, there's no way. Absolutely.
But
no way.
let's stay positive though.
Fuck.
There's a chance. There's a chance. Dude.
No.
I don't know.
Wait.
Let's try it.
Dude,
Try it, bro.
what if I roll the fenders?
If you roll it, yeah, for sure it'll fit. Freaking,
Dude, that looks
that
so
is
fucking
insane.
good,
Yeah, it looks good like that. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna sit like, oh shoot. Do it on my finger. All right.
Here, I'll just.
Oh.
Good. You're good. Stop. Stop. Stop.
No, 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 wait.
It's hitting.
Don't do it, my finger's right here. I think you could go a little bit more.
live,
You
bro.
can squeeze it a little bit more.
Oh my god, bro, that's so on the... Lower?
It's not moving anymore. Yo, that is insane. Bro.
Good. Hey.
I have never seen a Mustang in person with 3-piece wheels like this. How do you like it?
This is crazy, bro.
You like it?
Looks good, yeah.
It's like a little fart.
It's not moving.
Your car's farting, bro. If you pull your fender just a little bit, it'll literally just like go down.
Just the top. Use this.
Use a baseball bat. No, I'm just kidding. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the rotiforms
No, a little bit.
or the new Leon
We
Hardreds?
did the ghetto
I need a Mustang now, guys. I need one. Dude, I need one so bad. Oh, jeez.
Salvage.
Time for the fronts. Oh, shoot, you're right. These things are heavy. Dude, look at this stretch. Oh my gosh. You're literally showing the barrel.
See.
There you go. Does it look like there's enough?
Oh yeah, that'll fit. Ooh, I think that'll be good. That looks so sick. Like just being able to see like the chrome lips from the front. Damn.
Ooh.
Now you're good, dude.
Good, bro.
You have a lot of room.
Look.
All the way. Just go all the way.
Woo.
Oh my god,
Your bumper.
dude.
What? What?
Oh my. There.
What the heck? Damn, dude.
That's crazy, dude. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, dude.
I need one. I need one.
That's
Oh my
That's
God.
fucking crazy.
Bro, what the heck?
I want air now.
Huh?
Yo, I want air on my car.
Dude. That's
How much was it? Like 2K.
Unreal, dude.
Yeah, but-
That is unreal. I've literally just fell in love.
doable. No, it's not that much.
I know a ton of you guys don't like Mustangs. I don't know. It's just the whole JDM scene is like that. But if this right here does not convince you, or if you don't think this is sick, I don't know. I don't know. So which one do you guys like better? Here's the left side with his old wheels, which are the rotiforms. This is how it looks, the fitment.
And the rear too.
Or the new wheels he just put on, the Leon Hardreds 3-piece. Today has come to an end. I apologize if I sound super sick. Can any of you guys relate with having like allergies or hay fever, I guess it's called? it's nothing contagious. It's just like this thing with your sinuses, and you start sneezing and your eyes get all puffy. Your nose starts running, and it's horrible. It's like being sick, but you're not actually sick. It's just like your head. I don't know. It's weird. It's complicated. That's why I look like this all video. But anyways, today was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage of going along with my friend Tonio and getting his tires mounted onto his new wheels and then putting him onto his car. His car is so nice. Like, I'm super happy with him, and just the turnout, basically how they came out. You guys know my dream car is the Mustang. As you guys can see on the vision board, we have the Mustang right there. But yeah, just going along through everything today made me want it even more. We might get the FRS back from the paint shop tomorrow. The lady at the paint shop said we might get it tomorrow, so fingers crossed we do. If not, it'll be the next day. But I'm super excited to see how it turned out, and especially showing you guys a new color. A lot of you guys guessed the new color in the comment section below, which surprised me. But yeah, that's all I want to say about the new color. As always, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope each and every single one of you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.